Okay, so something I want to talk to you guys about today is going to be the ETFs. So if you don't want to take the risk of putting a lot of money into a single stock, or you haven't done a lot of the research, you can actually invest in sectors. So like technology sectors, energy sectors, fuel sectors, exploration and mining sectors, sectors that are made up of many companies that are wrapped up into an ETF. And the ETF listing, you can see that I have one pulled up right now. It's ssga.com. You can go to. I'll put the link in the description. But what it does is it has a lot of the ETFs listed on here, that the SPDR ETFs that you can actually invest in. I do it. I have some investments in the ETFs. They do all right because it's a lot of things bundled up. So you're making a bet on a larger, wider scale of options than just putting it all into one stock and saying, I hope it does good. Um, so if you're on here, you can see the different filters, asset classes, infrastructure, real estate. We'll go large cap. So you got DIA for Dow Jones Industrial Average. You're looking at Global Dow ETF. There's a lot to choose from. You can go into each of them and see what their expense ratios are and their performance. Uh, but overall, you can find some pretty good deals on the ETFs they have listed here. So if you're looking for investment ideas and you've happened to look past the fact that you can buy shares in companies that you do business with, so let's say if you've got a Verizon phone or a T-Mobile phone, or you buy Lululemon clothes, or like wherever you do your shopping, you can actually buy shares of that stuff if you believe in that company. However, again, if you want to make a broader investment, instead of having to worry about if one company is going to do well, you can put a bet on multiple companies doing well, and that's where you get your ETFs. And I'm trying to think if there's anything additional. I think one of the ones that I have, you don't have to do the same thing as I do, but one of the ones that I have, let me pause it real quick. Go. All right, so I found it. It's the XLE energy sector. We all know everybody needs energy. Gasoline, natural gas, propane, you name it. If you don't have it, you're going to be cold, sitting in the dark. So this fund does pretty darn good. It has a really low expense ratio. And yeah, again, the ticker is XLE. I highly recommend you go in there and look up information on it, but it does well. And yeah, can't say enough nice things about it. So if you're looking for investment ideas, definitely take a look at the ssga.com website for a lot of ETFs that are available, and pick some that are in sectors that you like. Play around with it, read some of the facts and the fact sheets and the prospectus, and it'll give you a good idea of what is in either inside that ETF or what they're trying to accomplish with this type of fund. But I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Put them in the comments below. Thanks. Have a good rest of your day.